Many years ago, we earned the National Blue Ribbon that honors school excellence. And most recently, we've achieved STEM accreditation from the Ohio Department of Education. So we're an official STEM school. One of the great opportunities we provide for our students here is our career technical education pathways. We looked at employability gaps within the Central Ohio area to identify key areas that our community is underserved in and that students could find high demand, well-paying jobs by providing them with a lot of the background training here for free in high school so that by the time they graduate, they're able to move right into that career or right into a post-secondary education program with college credits, with those credentials and with that experience ready to go. So we identified areas like engineering and manufacturing, health and biomedical sciences, information technology, as well as interactive media.